Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left the sea while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dream I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, near a hill of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, and my eyes were stared by the flash of a neon light. Split the night and touch the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. No one there disturb the sound of silence. Fool said you don't know. Silence like a cancer grows. Tararararararara, tarara. Viejitas pero bonitas para recordar.